Sure, just put that on.
Sure, it's already on. Finished.
That's how you do it.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
They work. Jesus. They're gonna stop here. Your speed, like.
So my assistant Steve has gone below the car to take off the what you call it?
Like the plastic under tray.
Big plastic under tray, for technical term. So 13 clips. They're all those little pop out ones.
Yeah,
using trim removable tools to take them out. Available. And
Make your life a bit easier.
all access from the bottom, I think, because it seems the hose clips are all facing down, and yeah.
Apparently you can do it. Like, if you're over to hear me, but apparently you can do it without taking this out, but you're more likely to scratch the shit out of your intake. So.
Yeah, I think so. And
I think it's a small investment of time.
Yeah, long way around is sometimes the shortest way home.
Oh! Just took this off. We definitely didn't put it back so we could video it. Yes, this is the yoke. Yoke, as they call it. Yeah, it's cool yoke.
Thanks for the hook forces.
Right, yeah. So we've just been putting on the Cobb, and we had a little bit of bother just lining it up. So a good thing that we found helps was just putting the bracket on here, that just because otherwise you're completely in the dark as to where it's supposed to live, and then you can just kind of roughly find it, because we were just kind of struggling with it a little bit. So yeah, that helps a lot. So we're just putting on the little extension for the map. We have the map in already, so just be careful with that. But, yeah, so I think that one goes in there. And then this one Sweet. So the next step is we just cleaned up the box with some glue gun, and yeah, we were just took us a few seconds to figure out the orientation. But yeah, the filter sits in here, and the little cap that we put on is going to be there. So yeah, I think the wire should probably just stay in here, I guess, to make sure you don't snag it. Everything was a knack.
Put this on.
Yeah, I think maybe.
Nice and tight, you know. Oh, it's fucking pure tight. Get these boys back in then. What, we got one mount and is there only one mount for this down here?
And there's another one on the.
I think you took off one.
Yeah, but there's extra hardware.
Oh.
It's fancy hardware. We can
Oh,
use.
well, sorry, Mr. Cobb.
Look at the bag of stuff.
Bag of goodies. I think this might need one of them.
Bit long with it.
It's a shoulder bud.
Oh yeah.
So probably one of them.
those. Yeah.
I'm gonna leave. Where's the old airbox? Shoulder bolt isn't really being reused, so keep it with your airbox. A little bit of tape, just tape it to the outside of it. Simple as.
Yeah.
Save you losing it.
Yeah.
How spritzer is she?
There.
Yeah, it looks nice. It's like it looks very stock. It looks like it should be there.
Yeah. Damn. I was leaving it for another time. It hasn't caused any issue yet, so I don't think it will. A lot of people don't even bother with it. Well, that's their clips. Yeah. I really love just how well it like.
You love the witch?
I just love the way it works together. Like,
Yes,
just
yeah.
uses so much stock stuff. You're not losing any. Oh, we were silly. Or were we? Oh yeah, you're thinking we're not.
What goes on over the outside? It's a
Yeah, and then it's just a bit of a stretch. Oh yeah, you're right. Perfect.
class. And you feel like you recognise what it is then because you learn from your mistake kind of thing.
Yeah, that's true.
Now I know what a loose wheel sounds like.
It's funny, like, because you kind of think, oh, there's like, there's 3 or 4 bolts or whatever. And
Yeah.
I think,
He had them. I think he had 2 of them hand tightened onto it.
yeah,
So there wasn't even many of them on it. He just put them back on to be like, oh fuck yeah, finished 4 wheels back on the ground.
yeah.
Just never put in any of them properly, so it was a bit of human error.
I think actually, to say that, I remember, I think I just got new tires for the front of my Civic, and I got them like Toyos. They were much better than the first tires I got because I'd burnt them out anyways, like being a young lad.
Oh, yeah.
But I was going to my first drag day up in like proper thing, and I went up anyway, and they have like a little, what you call it, homologation or safety inspection type of a thing. So
Yeah.
they just check over the cars, and your man goes, yeah, he's like, we just driven up to the north, like from Galway, so I've driven like 200-300 kilometers, but yeah, I just got in I brought it to a tire shop, and they took the wheels off and put them on the front, and yeah, your man's like, yeah, your wheel nuts are a bit loose on the front there. And I was like, oh Jesus. I was like, I'm so sorry. And he's like, well, that's what we're here for. So I was like,
Yeah.
yeah, it's true. Like, that's why we do this.
Good catch. Good
Yeah.
catch.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna throw that on as well. Okay, so yeah, we're all done, and we got everything bolted up. Put the engine cover back on for now, and yeah, that should be pretty much it. So the next thing that you're going to want to do, or we're going to want to do, is reflash the ECU with the tune for the intake. So we already have it mounted in pure Susie Boy style. It's already in the car, just in case. Change your map. I kind of forget how to do this, so let's see how it goes. Big SF V30.
Is that 91 Tacron? Is that what that is? Ooh.
It sounds like the windows are open.
That sounds obnoxious. Can I drive open
Yeah.
just a little bit? See.
Yeah. This is windows down now for editing purposes.
class. It made such a difference. Worth it.